This little video is going to be about another favorite one, the L sound, or L. Now the reason we're doing this is because some people really struggle with this, and once again, perhaps some of our Asian friends struggle with this, but there are some other people that do have a struggle with making this sound. So quite simply, the tongue, to me, it's like rolled up at the back of the top teeth. So it's like this. It's like L, and I let go, and the tongue is almost sticking out. So you could exaggerate and go L. Okay, that's one thing. So, well, let's put it into a word like lips. Okay, so that lips, and actually that one, I start with the tongue between my teeth. Lips, la. See the difference? So, le. So I've actually got a few ways of doing it, but let's go to the next one. Luck. And that tongue is actually inside curled up. Luck. So, lips, luck. And then lullaby. Another great one. Lots of L's in there. So, lull. So it's like you start with this L and go back to L. So lull, lullaby, lullaby, la 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 la, lullaby, lullaby, lips, luck. Really? Is it that easy or is it that difficult? Try it home and go crazy with this one. Good luck.